Hello guys, how are you? We're gonna design a scene like back in the old days, and I'm gonna use pre-made models from Sketchfab, okay? Because sometimes I feel like, you know, modeling and working on it a little bit boring, and I just wanna make concept art, and maybe I make this kind of scenes more. I'm not sure. Let's decide a scene and let's see what can I do. All right. Oh, look at this. The old classroom. Actually, I like this kind of classroom scenes because I can turn it to night scene, and maybe it can be a tense scene, or yeah, I feel that energy here. There's outside here. Nice idea to make it just like plain. Yeah, that's clever. And maybe we can make them sit, a couple of people here, and storm outside. That can work. And some silhouettes for the right side, maybe. And we can look from here. Yeah. Okay then, let's no shit. It's paid. Because why it's that? I forgot to select that CC by license, and now we can use whatever we want. Oh, this one is also fine. Look at this. Come on. And let's find a cool scene. Oh, look at this. I can turn it to ocean scene, and but it's an old old ship. Yeah, I have some fine ideas. I'm gonna make an ocean, and there will be people sitting on this one, and but it it's gonna be so interesting. Yeah, I can do it. Okay, that's the first option, right? Okay, let's check a little bit more, and we are ready to go. Okay, I need maybe one more idea here. Actually, there are lots of different kind of scenes and ideas. I already feel that. Look at this. Star Citizen workflow to Sketchfab. That's nice. So, what can we do? That's enough. If you ask me, that's more than enough. That's also good, and it can be a defense scene for against zombies, and that can be a night and stormy weather. That will be interesting. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go with that, right? Let's download it as GLTF here, and we are ready to go. Okay, I imported the scene into Blender, and we have separated, scanned objects here. We don't need the grass because I'm gonna use it as the ocean scene, and these are unnecessary faces, and it will oops, what did I delete? Oh shit. All right, let's do this another technique. I'm gonna join all of this. Look at this, billions of polygons here. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete them just like this. And other look at this. Oh, scanned objects are cool and promising, but it has tons of polygons, and I don't like that. It's hard to work with it. Do you remember my first video? I was using scanned tunnel on that one, and that was horrible to work. Anyway, I can decrease it. I just need an ocean, so we don't need to use most of these polygons here. I can even make a decimate modifier, and it can help me just a little bit reducing the polygons here. Change it to select. Come on, please. Radius. Just select inside. That's it. All right, I think it's all ready. Yeah, I just need to get rid of this and we're good to go. Why am I using that small brush? Okay, get rid of as possible as we can. Yeah. Okay, that's enough for now. We have this. Yeah, I can use this. Now I wanna see it as the light. We need to make one settings before we start. As you can see, it's scanned, and let me check. Yeah, it has only base color, which is great. And what if I turn this scene to night scene? Is it gonna work? Oops. Yeah, it's pure black. Perfect. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna make an ocean. To do that, something like this, and I will leave it here just for now. Add modifier, and where is ocean? Yeah. Now it's a little bit interesting, but you can get used to it. Just add material to see it better. And now it's just for playtime. Okay, you can just change, by the way. Yeah, it's gonna be a stormy weather, so that's why increase resolution, but not too much, not yet. And let's change depth. No, nothing has changed. We want that. If you scale up like this, you're gonna reserve these settings. So don't try to make it here and make it that much ocean with that. So if you have a good result with like this, just scale up manually and you can set it. Okay. I just want to use it something like this because I also want to show these steps because it's gonna help me to tell the story about it's not actual ship. You can go down from these steps, change it to cycles, GPU, denoise, and I gotta check it. Just saturation, black, and of course it should be like this. Yeah, that's fine. It should be like this. Maybe we can reduce the specular. I'm not sure. We need more details, but let's try it again. All right. I just want to try the moonlight. All right. Where is the light here? Okay, let's make a moonlight. Something like this. Yeah, maybe. I think I need to get rid of this light and change the angle a little bit. Yes, something like this. And let's try one emission for the cockpit or driving room. I don't know how it's called. Yeah, I can place it. It's empty. And I want to make a little bit desperate scene, but also a little bit fun. And, you know, they're going to have fun with sitting and moonbathing, maybe. Is there something like this? Moonbathing. And the captain will be in search for rescue. Meanwhile, meanwhile of sunbathing, the captain is trying to save his ass. Maybe they are tourist group and the captain is trying to survive. Yeah, that will be interesting. Yeah, that's getting more tense. Where is the ship? Okay. Let's find a good angle. Yeah, I want to turn off this axis. Yeah. So I need a little bit more details for the sea. Let's try it out and let's see if I can make more details here and change the waves. Maybe something like this. That would be so funny that the tourist group is having us moonbathing or watching the view, and there are huge waves here around them, and and the captain is trying to save his ass. Yeah, that would be so funny. Yeah. So I think it's not a good angle for the light. Wow. Yeah. That's more dramatic. I gotta find better view. And I didn't like the waves. It's too low poly. And Yeah, maybe something like this. That's better. I want to make it repeat, but it's not working. Why is that? Oh, shit. Yeah. It's repeating, but in the wrong way. Now I got this. All right. Turn it to 5. And where are you? All right. I just need more interesting. Let's change each settings and there will be more wind here. Choppiness. Yeah, no. Yeah, maybe something like this. I want to have something like this. Dangerous water. That's exactly what I want to do. All right. I can see underground. Yeah. That's a problem. But I can fix this manually later. Let's try more different light settings. I gotta find better solution here. Come on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like this and make a fake light as the moonlight here. Just highlighting here exactly like this, and that's gonna work better. And why is this? Yeah, we fixed that. All right, there's nothing else. All right. What if I delete the sunlight and let's make completely different fake solution. I just want to highlight areas exactly what I want. Something like this. And where is this light? Yeah, that's acceptable. Can I use it here as well? Just like a torch? You can consider it as placeholder just for now. Why not? So just snap it to vertex there. Yeah, that will be interesting. Look at this place. And if it's possible, I want to make it a little bit more interesting. Just like this. Yeah. Chopping is here. I want to try more resolution. Let's try to do our best. Yeah, look at this reflection on the light, and I like this. And also, yeah, here or here. Just a small light, like a button. Okay, or I can make it like spotlight, literally spotlight for the surging, that spotlights on the ships and boats, something like this. And we can add a creature or shark to the sea, and that will be more interesting. Yeah, why not? I just didn't like the blend. Yeah, make it a little bit more. No, not like that. And I just want to try, of course, volume scatter. But after that, I'm gonna cancel that or hide it for a while. It's a little bit heavy light, but it's getting better. So interesting. Yeah, I like the feeling of the scene, and it's looking a little bit tense. And also, what's happening here? Are they trying to live here or escape from this area? That's too much here. I didn't like that fog. Yeah, a little bit more. And yeah, that's exactly what I want to have. Just maybe a little bit more or less. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I'm just checking, and it's fine by me. Yeah, the composition is looking interesting. Just make it a little bit there. Yep. Okay. Now I can hide it and lock it, the fog here, because it's causing high performance for the computer. So let's get rid of a couple of items on the ship, because maybe I can use my own. Oh shit. I don't like to work with scanned objects anymore. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just getting tired of dealing with all the faces all the time. I just want to delete this chair here. I don't need you. All right, whatever. Yeah. I don't want to work precisely, and let's get rid of these little small pieces, and I can hide it in Photoshop because it's too boring to deal with this kind of stuff here. Leave me alone. All Right. I'm not gonna work with the scanned objects anymore. Yeah, that's a promise myself. All right. So what else we can do here? I think we need more correct windows for the boat cockpit, the control room. I don't want to know the name. Yeah. Just get rid of these problematic windows here. I can also fix it in Photoshop. And I don't want to use scanned objects anymore. Yeah. That was the last time. That's too boring to dealing with all the unnecessary faces here all the time. Look at this. It's never ending. It's never ending. Okay, anyway. So now I can add a plane as the window here. Let's place it correct position. That's the emission light. And place this here. All right. Let's make it glass. It's gonna be black, shiny, and of course I need to make it transparent because, you know, it's window. Just make it like this. Maybe something like this, and make a little bit black and blue color. Link materials, and yeah, that's looking interesting. All right, now I gotta make this scene a little bit interesting, but before that we need characters to use it here. They're gonna sit here, they're gonna talk, and we need a captain, and maybe I can place a creature or a shark here. Yeah, that will be a little bit mysterious scene, and maybe I can find different kind of interesting objects to use. Let's go to Mixamo and find the characters. Yeah, that's gonna be the first one. You are looking so silly, and probably you are gonna be the first guy who dies in the ship. Look at this makeup. You are so interesting, man. All right, let's download this and keep making other decisions. I download it and let's see. Maybe this girl can be fit well. This guy for sure. He's also looking silly. Or make it a little bit formal. He's a rich guy, this one. And He's saying that, where am I? I'm so rich. I didn't deserve this kind of horror in the ocean. Yeah, it's kind of guy here. Yeah, that's for sure. I'm gonna use it. And this girl can be a good fit for another survivor. Let's download this one. And I need a captain. Yeah, look at this. What a captain. Do we have actual captain model here? Yeah, maybe I can use this Pete guy. Hello, Pete. How are you, Captain? Okay, I downloaded all and imported to Blender 3. Why am I using Blender 3? Because I'm still couldn't find the Mixamo add-on for converting this to control rigs. It's it's not ready yet, and I'm just using the previous one, Mixamo control rig, and I have Blender 3 for control rig, and I'm gonna copy and paste it to Blender 4. So create control rig for each of them. Just turn off apply animation and turn off. Yeah. Create control rig, and that's fine. Now I can copy and paste each of them to Blender 4. But when you try to copy that, let me show you one trick. If you copy this one and paste it, you're gonna have something like this, which is not one the thing. So if you wanna copy whole armature and the body, just select this and Shift G, select children, and one more time select armature and control rig. Now if you can copy that, you're gonna have armature and body as unique objects here. And if you select this empty axis and Shift G children and select this, you can delete this one, get rid of this, and you can use it clean way. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy and paste each of them to the Blender 4. And I copied all of these characters here, and we have these unnecessary objects here, and I'm just selecting this children and select again, delete this one, and same process for each of them, and delete this one. Yeah, now it's good to go for the scene. You just can select only armatures and bring them to the scene like this, and let's place them to the ship. You can also snap it, that's better and faster. All right, hello people, how are you here? Do you feeling safe or not? Are you scared of this boat? Yeah, the woman here and the silly guy. Hello, silly guy. All right, now this woman can watch the sea, and no, you are the captain. And this guy can sit here. Maybe we can make it Make him sit, and he's crying here. Okay. Let's find a good pose. Go to pose mode, and I'm just gonna bend the belly here. Just like that. You can just lean on it. Oops. Be careful, girl. You don't want to get close to the ocean that much. Is that so? I want to have a pose like this. And she's just being curious, but you know, that much curiosity caused that of you. Look at this hand here. Just come on. Yeah. She's bending so much, and I didn't like that. You are not making a sportive activity. Yeah, that's better. She's looking like she saw something in the ocean. And the guy here gonna sit there. Because he is rich and he doesn't care. Come on. Relax, rich boy. And maybe you can place your foot here. Yeah. He is so happy. He's so happy because he is kind of stupid rich boy. You know that type. Sometimes I wonder that how can get rich with that low IQ and without any smart thinking. But that's the world. Yeah, look at him. Look at him. So stupid. All right. This guy is crying. So he is smart and he knows that it's a low chance to get escape here. And the chance of getting escape alive here is so low. So he's just crying. Why did I come here? Why? Why did I come here? Oh, I hate boats. You came here because you were chasing that girl and you were liking that girl and you thought that you can impress her here. You thought that you're gonna swim with her in the ocean, but the plans has changed and now it's time for her, Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Look at him. He's so desperate. What a sad story is this? Don't worry. You're gonna all escape here, but you don't know yet. So, because that's not the final scene of the movie. All right? It's just the beginning of this movie. Don't worry. You know. Don't worry. But I don't suggest you to go here again. Okay? Just make it like this. Okay, you can cry there. Let's try it with the camera and render view. Let this guy be more empathetic. All right. I'm gonna make the scene like there will be tons of zombies are climbing the boat here. I'm gonna hide each of them here. You're gonna see lots of hands and faces around, and but they won't be aware of the dangers on the way. So that's gonna be cool scene here. So let's place the captain here. Hello, Captain. Hello. Do you copy? You are in danger. Captain, do you hear me? A zombie horde is on your way. Captain! Captain, what's happening to you? Oh, I have another idea. I'm gonna change this light here. The position of this light. Yeah, that kind of silhouette I wanna have. And let me select the armature. And I'm gonna place this captain here. Oh, look at this. What if I try transparent BSDF? I'm gonna place a zombie there. It's gonna go inside here and he doesn't know that. And that will be it. That's a cool story. All right, let's get. What is this? It's the cube here. Just turn off. Let's get the zombies. Okay, where is my favorite zombie? I used this guy tons of times. You remember this? Is there anything different? Hmm. Parasite L Starkey. You are so disgusting, man. So disgusting. Okay. You are the man here. Alright, we have the guy here. Just place it. Don't worry, little guy. Just select children and armature and copy and paste. Okay. I'm gonna need more of them. So let's see in the rendered view. And he's coming along here. What's happening? Yeah, I have no idea. Where's your head? You're just zooming, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's better. I can also change the watercolor to a little bit muddy. What you think? Little bit muddy water. No, it's not working. All right. Did you change the color of this emission? Yeah. And you're gonna climb here. Just copy more. What's this? Come on. And düştük. He's so happy, creature. Can you judge him? No. This guy will be on the boat. He made it. Yeah. I want to have this creature here. He's almost made it. I don't know how they're gonna rescue themselves here. It's a little bit desperate and extremely dangerous situation. That's so obvious. I didn't like that. Yeah, that's better. Let me select. I like the scene here. It says happy hours. So ironic. Happy hours. No, you are not supposed to see it. Choose parent. So the captain will look like this. To downside. Try it again. Yeah, that's better. I place there, and one of them is climbing. I'm gonna make it climb here. Okay. You can stay there. Let's try it again. Alright, I'm happy with the result here. We see lots of creatures, but in a subtle way, and they are on their way to attack. This guy is crying. We have fog here. Okay, now it's good to render, and let's go Photoshop and play with the generative fill a little bit, and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, now we are back in Photoshop, and now I'm gonna work with the color correction and make it look good. And after that, we're gonna use generative fill. So go here and camera raw filter. All right. Now we have this. I'm making just a couple of settings, just light and highlights. Make it a little bit interesting. Shadows. Just white here. A little bit more. And effects, clarity, texture, and detail for sharpening. If you want to play with each color, you can go for it. Just make it something like this. Maybe we can change blue a little bit. We can make a little bit more moonlight. Yeah. And little bit pop up, and yeah, that's okay for now. Before and after. Something like this. All right, let's play with the generative fill. Okay, let's first of all, I want to get rid of this here because it's looking problematic. You couldn't use this scene in your game or in animation movie or something else because it's photo scan. That's why I can make it in generative fill. So of course you can't use generative fill for the objects for game arts, but you know me, right? I'm making just still images and the scenes, concept arts. That's why that's normal to use generative fill here because that's a powerful standard from these days. And look at this. We got rid of that problematic areas. I'm gonna also fix this kind of artifacts here, and there. And come on, just what is this? That's more scary. That's more scary than my scenario. Yeah. Come on, man. Make a good window here. We are lots of things to do. Come on. Yeah, that can work. Whatever. Maybe it's reflecting the sea. I don't want to waste my time just for that. Generate that. And also, I gotta fix this. It's already looking so problematic because it's a photo scan, but that's already a fine improvement with this scene. So I wonder that if I can turn this to torch, that will be interesting. So you can use this kind of emissions as placeholders if it works, and you can place your emission objects on your scenes and turn it to torches just like that in Photoshop. I just discovered this. I didn't try it before. I swear that I didn't try this method before. I'm just trying to think logical. I was planning to leave it like this, but I thought that it can turn it to torch, and yeah, that's cool. It means that you can use your emission lights here as placeholders, and the rest of things gonna be for the Photoshop. Let's try some foggy weather, maybe clouds. Let's see what's gonna happen. It will be better if I can have little bit clouds and some details on the background because it's too plain, and that might be a little bit boring. So yeah, that's exactly what I want. Yeah. All right. It's getting interesting. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm also curious about the progress because when you are using the generative fill, you never know what's gonna happen, and it's so inspiring for me to, every generation look at this makes me feel a little bit more make me more discover the possibilities of the scene. So every generation is interesting. Let's see what's gonna happen. Come on. No. You can do it better. Exactly, you can do better. It's a foggy weather and the creatures are climbing. So what else I can do? Maybe we can have octopus just snapping here, and maybe kraken. Oh, I hate kraken. It's so disgusting, man. So I'm gonna leave this one for now. Okay, so let's keep working. Maybe I can draw any kraken-like object here. Oh, it's so disgusting. Kraken in the ocean. That can be my one of the biggest fear for the ocean. Do you know megalodons and the huge sharks, huge whales? I'm so afraid of. So no way. No. Why you didn't understand that? Just make it look like in that ocean, not like this. It's like a selfie of this dangerous creature. Come on, you can do it better. I believe in you. Oh, yeah. It didn't work. So, how can I make it look realistic? Just like this, man. Just like this. Kraken arms. Just place it in the correct lights and colors. Nothing else. Okay? Just make it snap here. Oh. No, it's not working. I'm gonna try one more thing. One more thing. Here. Let's try it again. Kraken arms. Sometimes it can work to make it look like empty, but I'm not sure. We'll see that. Yeah, awesome. Okay, whatever. I should have to do it myself, and after that it will work. So what else I can do? I didn't like this object here. It's not relevant for this kind of ship here. It's cable roll. It does it correct name? Yeah, get rid of that one. And instead of this one, I can try desk with full of foods. Let's try it again. What is this? There is no desk. It's not food, it's just vegetable. Food is, more complex. Yeah, thank you. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna push you. All right, let's just think about here. Let's push this generation, and I can finalize it. I just need a little bit more. Come on. Come on, dude. Let's try mountains. Mountains on the far distance. Foggy, dark islands, yeah. Foggy, dark islands. Please make it work. Please make work, make it work, make. Yeah, lots of birds. That's what I want to do. Yeah. Foggy, dark, lots of birds. Yeah. Yeah, that's interesting. Wait a minute. That's actually a little bit interesting, but I like this one too. Look at this mountain there. So let's push our luck here. If I can make another mountains here. island in dark. A silhouette. Those birds are a little bit interesting and I like it, but I'm not sure. I just want to try a little bit more. Come on. Come on! Okay, it's not working. It means that I'm gonna apply all things here, and let's try it again with one object here. Dark island in fog. Why you are doing this to me? One last time, and after that I'm gonna stop making it. Maybe I can keep it. These guys, and I can get rid of these birds in the close distance, so it's making a little bit weird, and I can keep it here. Yeah, why not? Those birds are also trying to attack them. Yeah, what a chance, man. They are in trouble big time, but I hope they can make it. Yeah, we fixed this. It says happy hours. And what if I try to have it a little bit wider and just fill these areas with how you want? I just wondered that. Yeah, that's exactly better. Yeah, I like that result more. All right. It was fun to work with it and to work with you. So I hope you found it useful. You know, even if I model this for myself, it will be same result. But I feel like I little bit bored of modeling and texture and other stuff, and I like this kind of fast and pre-made, working with pre-made objects. It's a little bit more fun for me too. So I can keep making this from now on. I'm not sure. I already showed how you can model, how we can texture, how we can project and other stuff. So that's also fine, and you can download yourself in Sketchweb, and you can use it yourself with attribution. Don't forget that. And if you attribute the author of these models, and there's no problem to use it. So you can practice with these objects for yourself, for your concept arts. Maybe you also don't like the modeling and texturing, UV mapping. you just can go that way, and yeah, there's no problem, there's no shame for it. Yeah. Okay, so let's see you on the next tutorial or next project, and take care of yourself. Thank you for watching.